Welcome. I'm just trying to warm my fingers so that I can be able to bring in this tutorial tonight. If you are interested in what we are doing, you can write me a message on the email address so that we can have private lessons. We can have our own private lessons online, despite from where you are. Just send me a message if you are interested, and I believe that we will be able to help one another and all of us play good Seben, play good music. Welcome again to our channel tonight. If you are new, I encourage you to first subscribe and press the bell so that you may be able to receive our updates on time. Tonight, I will continue speaking on another type of Seben, which we usually call Sept. The jargon of the language that we use is called Sept. So basically, in simple terms, this Sept Seben is a very simple kind of Seben where we don't use many chords. You just use only 2 chords, and it can be the 5th degree or the 4th degree and the 5th degree. From 4th to 5th, from 5th to 4th. And our particular Seben tonight, we will be playing it on the key of A sharp, particular Seben tonight, we will be playing it on the key of A sharp. On second inversion. So this is the perfect. Of course, very soon I will start lessons on for the beginners, so that we can go back to where we are supposed to start. This suggests, what we are doing suggests that someone has already the minimum basics. So we will be on the second inversion of the key of A sharp. So the Seben is on the key of A sharp. So the second inversion, fifth degree and fourth degree. That's basically the progression. Okay? That's basically the progression of this Seben. So it goes like this, which is the fifth degree, second string and first string, then second and third. Okay? Then you go to the fourth degree. Okay? Then, okay? Second and third, you slide. There is another part now, which is now the détente. We call it the détente, the second part of the Seben, or détente in French. In English means relaxed. The relaxed part of this Seben, where I don't play many things. So I'll go this time, instead of going down, I'll go up. I'll go to the perfect again, but on top here. So the fifth degree again. Okay. Third and first. Okay, then I go back again to the first part. Then So I was just trying to bring a new color on the 7. So let me try now to play it a bit faster. So, yes, I hope you have gotten exactly what I was bringing. As I say, and I always say, let every Seben be simple and sweet. Keep your Seben simple and sweet. You don't have to play so many things for a Seben to be a good Seben. Keep it simple, keep it sweet, and always remember that every Seben is valid. We don't have the same culture, we don't have the same level of music, we don't have the same taste, we don't have the same touch. So adapt it to your culture, adapt it to your taste, create your own Seben, and that's the way we will bring our game up. So I hope that you have gotten something new, and please remember to comment in our page. Remember to comment, to bring suggestion, and very, very soon I am starting the basics. I'm starting now to teach guitar from basics. I will suggest that the people now who will be following me are people who are starting from scratch, so that I can bring you to the level where you can be able now to play a good Seben. May God bless you. Remember, God loves you, and use your talent for His own glory. God bless you.